Hi everyone. Today I'm making this video to basically give information about the different type of masks that are available in our country and who should be using which type of mask. So there is a new initiative by the government of India that everyone should be wearing some type of a mask. All right. And there are different types of masks that are available in the market at different prices. So we have a cotton mask which is for almost like 30, 40, 50 rupees, and these masks should be they claim that these masks are reusable. Then the other type of masks are your surgical masks, which are for 8 to 10 rupees and which have to be disposed of. And the third type of a mask, the important one, is the N95 mask. So the N95 mask, I'll be talking about it firstly. So N95 mask का जो price है, it ranges between 150 to 300 or more than that. These masks claim that they can filter viruses almost 95%. एंड इस मास्क का मेन फीचर ये होता है that when you put this mask it is sealed basically on wherever the mask touches your face, it forms like a seal. तो वो seal जो है prevents the air entry from any side, because क्या होता है कि ये जो अगर लीक है तो एयर अगर आ पा रहा है अंदर, तो एयर के साथ साथ वायरसेस साइड से भी आ सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो ये जो मास्क होता है, इनका जो फिल्टर लेयर होता है ऐसे आगे की तरफ होता है. सो वी डोंट वांट कि हम यहाँ फिल्टर लगा रहे हैं और वायरसेस साइड से आ जाए. समझ रहा है. तो इसीलिए the N95 masks, they form a seal, and that is why, because of all of these features of this mask, it makes it the most efficacious masks amongst these three masks. So who should be using an N95 mask? N95 mask, they are expensive. उसको एक दिन में आप एक ही 8 ही घंटा पहन सकते हो. And now AIMS is saying that this mask you can reuse them. So you can wear this on day 1, keep this in a paper bag or a plastic bag for 4 days, use this on the 5th day, right? So ऐसे you can use it at 4 day intervals, okay? And this cycle should be a 20-day cycle. After 20 days are over, you have to throw away all of these 4 masks that you were using them for 20 days. ठीक है. So this mask who should be wearing is firstly the people who are in direct contact with the COVID patients. Number 2, the people who have COVID. Number 3, healthcare workers who are exposed to people who are strongly suspected to have COVID, right? And say, for example, for the fourth point, I'm saying like an example, anyone who has fever or cough, who is not diagnosed yet to be COVID, but he thinks that strongly suspected case है वो खुद. So it's better to wear this mask. ये हो गया N95. Now let's talk about the surgical mask. Surgical mask क्या होता है? These are the masks जो कि ऑपरेशन थिएटर में हमारे सर्जन्स पहनते हैं. पर इस मास्क का जो डिसएडवांटेज है वो ये है कि when you wear this mask, ये ऐसा टाइप का मास्क होता है इतना, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे there are gaps. इस गैप के थ्रू हवा आ जाती है अंदर, जिसमें वायरसेस कंटेन हो सकता है, राइट? बट 85% ऑफ द वायरसेस जो है ये मास्क फिल्टर कर सकता है, वायरस एंड बैक्टीरिया. और सर्जिकल मास्क कैन फिल्टर टू ऑलमोस्ट 85%. सो ऐसा नहीं कि ये मास्क ख़राब है. सर्जन्स वेयर दिस एवरी टाइम. इस मास्क का मेन फंक्शन ये है दैट द पर्सन हु इज़ कफिंग एनीथिंग दैट डजंट गो आउट. इस मास्क का मैकेनिज्म ऐसा है कि इवन इफ द एयर इज़ कमिंग इनसाइड, दैट्स ओके, बट द पर्सन हु इज़ कफिंग, it mostly this mask prevents all of that virus and bacteria from the person, for example an operating surgeon, to enter the patient's body. So who should wear this type of mask is someone who is coughing thoda sa, or who has thoda sa cold, or who has thoda sa fever. इस टाइप के लोगों को ये मास्क पहनना चाहिए. Talking about the third mask is the cotton mask. Cotton mask is something that government of India is now encouraging the rest of the people to wear. Because suddenly if someday you cough or suddenly you are in contact with so many people, when you're going to buy vegetables or anything, there are few people out there still. I know there's a lockdown, but still, जब हम basic commodities लाने जाते हैं, we do come in contact with people. So you don't know who has coronavirus in their body, right? So that is why as a precautionary method हमें बाकी के लोगों को ये मास्क पहनना चाहिए, ठीक है? Now there are two things that we should know. Number one, if a person is not coughing or having fever, doesn't mean उसे कोरोना वायरस नहीं है. कोरोना वायरस का सिम्टम्स जो है, फॉर इट टू डेवलप एंड इट टू शो, इम्यूनिटी थोड़ी कम होनी चाहिए. आई माइट हैव कोरोना वायरस राइट नाउ, बट मे बी माई इम्यूनिटी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, इसलिए मैं सिम्टम्स दिखा नहीं पा रही बाहर अभी, राइट? बट मेरे सामने अगर ऐसा कोई आया जिसका इम्यून सिस्टम वीक है, तो उसे ये वायरस मुझसे मिल सकता है और उससे ये बीमारी उससे ये सिवियरली बीमारी हो सकती है, एंड दैट पर्सन कैन डाई, ठीक है? सो द इम्यूनिटी इज़ प्लेइंग एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल आउट हियर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, एक प्रिकॉशनरी मेथड की तरफ से गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ सेड कि हर इंसान को एक कॉटन मास्क पहनना चाहिए, राइट? Cotton masks need to be washed every day in Dettol or any antiseptic liquid, right? But one more thing that you should know, that cotton जो है, it's, अगर आप कोई कपड़ा धोते हो cotton का, so after washing उसके threads spread out, they make, जो छेद होते हैं cotton के, वो बढ़ते जाते हैं, right? So you can wash it 4 to 5 times, you can wear it for 4 to 5 days or a week, but not more than that. After that, you need to buy yourself or make yourself a new cotton mask. If there are any doubts regarding masks or anything regarding coronavirus, I am ready to help you all. I hope I have made a bit of a clear picture in your minds about this mask. Thank you.